Today we're going to be changing out the tail light bulb on a 2010 Dodge Ram 1500, and the only thing you're going to need is a couple of, well, you're only going to need one tail light bulb because this one, just the turn signal is out. And these ones are 3157. You're also going to need a T25, you can read that there, T25 Torx head bit to be able to take out these two screws right there, and that's all that comes out. And I would highly recommend a flathead screwdriver as well to be able to get the clip off from the wiring harness. So let's go ahead and get to it. I'm going to be using a drill to make it a little quicker. Loosen those two bolts up, take them out, and then you pull your tail light over to the side a little, and it's free. And then you take it and pull that red clip back. I had the screwdriver just in case, but I didn't end up needing it. And then you just pull that red tab back, and then you're going to push down on that button and wiggle it loose. Bit of dirt in there. Then we just twist that just like that. There's your bulb. Pull the old one out, grab the new one, click it into place. Lock it into place. Lock it into place. And reinstall the screws.